channel. I hope you guys have already seen my Ahmedabad trip vlogs. There were 3 videos released, which was day 1, day 2 and day 3. I hope you have seen all of them. If not, just stop this video right here and go back and check out all those videos because they are really good and I want each one of you all to enjoy with us what we enjoyed in Ahmedabad. And as promised, this video is going to be about the shopping that I did from Ahmedabad and the things that I bought from Ahmedabad. So this video is all going to be about the Ahmedabad shopping haul. So without much ado, let's get started. Okay, so not in any particular order, whatever comes to my hand first, whatever is placed here, I'll just pick that and show you all. And also to the second half of this video, stay tuned because I'm going to invite someone very special who is going to cover the food section of Ahmedabad. So let me start with my section, that is the ladies shopping. So what I can see, the biggest object over here is this bag. Just look at this bag, it's so beautiful. It has these lovely tassels over here in multicolor, and then there is this thread work all over the bag. And it has this is actually a shoulder bag, and it has this cute shape as well, like a U shape. I loved its shape, color and the work which was there all over. And inside there's like one single zip. It's quite a huge bag, and also there's a small pocket. As you all can see, there is a small pocket for you to keep anything which is tiny and can easily be lost inside this big bag. So you can keep it over there in small pocket. So it's a pretty good size bag and you can easily take it along whenever you go for traveling or even otherwise over here. Even for the college girls, it's a good option. And let me tell you the price for it. I think it was just for rupees 200. So there is a lot of bargain as well. If you're good at bargaining, then maybe you can, steal these deals in some lesser bucks as well. But I think the initial price or the initial pitch for this bag which was done to us was for rupees 250, and I successfully managed, bargaining it to rupees and bringing it down for 200 rupees. But ideally what I would suggest is that these local artisans, they live on this, so do not bargain much. I mean, suppose for example if the price is for rupees 250, then don't bring them down to rupees like 150 or 100 bucks, just like 25 to 50 bucks here and there. But otherwise do not bargain much because these are our local artisans and they thrive on this, and everything that they do is kind of handmade. So there's a lot of hard work that goes into this, and we should encourage this local stuff and encourage the tradition and the culture which they have kept alive till now. So please pay all these artisans generously and do not bargain a lot with them. So that's a small request. Okay, so moving on to the next item after this lovely bag. Okay, sorry, I completely forgot to tell you from where I bought it. This was bought from the Akshardham market. So the famous Akshardham temple in Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar, you all know about it. So just outside the gate of Akshardham, there is a huge chanya choli and bags and other things and small eateries and everything. All that stuff is there along the roadside. So there you will get these kind of steal deals and really good products. And let me tell you, their quality is not at all cheap. This bag, when placed in a branded store, would easily come to you not more than like 1500 or 2000 rupees. Just keep this bag in Fab India or Global Desi, and then people are like ready to pay you like whatever you ask for. So best is go there, buy things from where they originate. You get it for lesser price. So after this lovely bag, I want to move to something which is next. Let me move to something which is next, and that is this kurti. Okay, so if you all have seen my Ahmedabad vlog, which is day number 2, you all might have seen that I had visited along with my mother-in-law and my husband. I had visited the Ahmedabad Heart exhibition, HAAT Heart. So over there, the artisans from Kutch and nearby areas and Ahmedabad and everywhere, they come and sell their cultural and their culturally rich products. That handwork and thread work and cane work and bandhanis and patolas and everything that belongs from that land. So we were lucky enough that the exhibition surfaced in the same time period when we decided to visit Ahmedabad, and we tapped that opportunity and we went to the exhibition and we got some lovely stuffs from there. So this was one of the kurtis which was bought. This was one of the kurtis. Look at the print of it. This is so Ahmedabad style. Just look at it. I mean, just imagine the kind of photos which can be clicked here. It's a simple plain cotton kurti, but the print itself is so good and ethnic, and it's really good. So, and also the trick, one trick when you go for shopping and you're not, when you go for street side shopping or exhibitions, and when you're not sure about the sizes, just buy 1 or 2 sizes bigger, because then you can always alter it down to your size. But if you buy something which is small, then nothing can be done if they are not ready to exchange it. So buy something which is like bigger size if you are not sure. If you're sure, then it's not a problem. So this size was, I think, double XL or XL. I don't remember. But I can alter it down to the size, whenever we want to wear it. So, but I loved the print. It's maroon and black color, and it's totally Ahmedabad style. So when you go over there, just hunt for these kind of products which speak about Ahmedabad loudly from their prints, because that kind of stuff really comes out well in pictures and otherwise as well. Like, you be ready to receive the compliments just with this plain cotton kurti, and just pair it up with like small jhumkas or big jhumkas like I have worn today, and you're just ready to go with a pair of jutis and all. Okay. And after that, I think we had bought 2 other kurtis as well, but I don't have it over here right now. We had bought it for my mother-in-law, and they were also really good. One was a kurta set and one was a kurti, but they were also really nice. The prints of it and the fabric of it was really nice and comfortable. And apart from that, then what I can see next is, okay, now let's stick to the heart exhibition only, so that this video can go in one direction. So the other things that I bought from heart exhibition were these Kolhapuri chappals. Look at them, they're so beautiful. They are nice soft pink, baby pink color, and they're quite solid in their sole as well. It's not like, Raste Ka Mal Saste Mein, not at all. They're really nice and sturdy. And just guess the price of it. You all usually know what's the price of Kolhapuris, when you go. They're so expensive to buy in a store. But these Kolhapuris, these cute Kolhapuris, I just got it for rupees 200 again. Do go and buy, footwear from there, because it's really good and on a budget. And the next item again is from the footwear section, and it's these like mirror work jutis. It's the wedding season right now, and like till next year, January, February, and so on. So there are so many weddings lined up, and these jutis can definitely go on any of your traditional outfits and make you look that urban chick. So even my mother-in-law liked this a lot, and she told me to buy this, and I really enjoyed this purchase because it's a steal deal in just rupees 250. Yes guys, this was just for rupees 250. Look at them, and this nice ghungru, I think, or ghungri, what we say, which is like embedded inside, and when you walk there's like a nice, melodious voice coming. So they're really lovely, and color and the work and everything bang on, and again very sturdy in quality, good sturdy soles, all season wear. So these were the 2 footwear which I ended up buying. I wanted to buy more, but unfortunately we were coming back to Mumbai by flight, and we had our weight reservations and constraints. Like, you're only allowed to have baggages of certain weight when you go by a certain flight. So we had that in mind, at the back of our mind, and so we were like shopping very hesitantly, that this would increase our weight or that would increase our weight. And so, but otherwise, if there was no weight constraint, I would have definitely bought more things from there, because we do not usually go much over there. So when I go over there, I really want to tap the opportunity and bring all the good stuff from there, because it's good in quality, point 1. And point 2 is that it's like on a budget from what we get the thing in Mumbai. Like if you get the same thing in Mumbai in a store, it's almost double the price. So not ready for that. Then I can get it for less. Okay, now again coming back to Akshardham's market, I got like few other things as well. There was this one chanya choli which was like yellow and green in color. I'll show you that in a while. I do not have it. I actually forgot to sit with that, but I'll just bring it in a while and show you guys. But apart from that chanya choli, I bought one more thing, and which was this heavy threadwork dupatta. Look at this. Look at this heavy threadwork dupatta. It's so good. This is like fully worked upon, and it's mirror work and thread work. The typical Ahmedabad work. This also like shouts Ahmedabad from a distance whenever you see it. I love such kind of things. This is pink in color. And just guess, we got this I think in 300 rupees. Entire dupatta is like work, and we just got it for rupees 300. Just for rupees 300. Just imagine. And then the other thing which I got from the exhibition was this dupatta again. I have like a craze for having good dupattas, the classic collections in my wardrobe. Because I feel that dupattas, if you buy dupattas whose style is like a classic style, then they can stay in your wardrobe for like years and years. For example, like bandhani or patola style, or these kind of kachi prints. Yeah, so this is my next item which I had bought. These kind of things, they stay in your wardrobe for like years and years, and it's kind of an investment rather than, you know, an expenditure or a spend. So this is on a mode. This is called, the material is called as modal silk, and it has this kind of lagdi patta. This has this kind of lagdi patta which I love. I love this kind of lagdi pattas. And look at the print of it again. It is from Kutch, and we got this dupatta over there, and I'm definitely buying this. I love this kind of stuff. And this was a little bit on the expensive side because it's modal silk. So it was for rupees 1800. Most loved purchase of my Ahmedabad shopping haul, and the most expensive one as well. This was the most expensive purchase that I did. Otherwise all the things were below 1000 or below 500 also, I can say. But this was something which was expensive, but it was worth it. Now this is going to stay in my wardrobe. Even like after 25 years, you can find me like wearing this, styling it in some other way and stuff. So it was worth the buy. And then again, we went ahead to a few of the stalls, and I found something again which was kind of an investment, and that's a shawl. Look at the color of this shawl. I think it has some kind of a Kashmiri print or work, I would say. And this is such a pretty, color, like something between red and pink. And look at the tassels and the color. So it's like, winters, and we have a wedding in the north to attend in February of a close relative, and over there we thought that I'll need something, now in the weddings every now and then you cannot just wear hoodies and those bomber jackets and all, because if you're wearing something traditional like a lehenga choli or something like a dress, you cannot put that on. So to keep yourself cozy and warm, these kind of shawls which are all like with good prints, these are the best things to put on and snuggle yourself in. So this was like a very thoughtful purchase. I liked and I loved. I did not like, I loved the color. Look at the print also. Such a beautiful, intricate print it is. And the best part about this shawl is you can wear it in this color, and you can put it on this color, and it's reversible. So you can also wear it in this color. So whatever your outfit is, accordingly, light or dark, you can put this shawl in contrast and just don the look along with being warm as well. So this was my next purchase, and I think that is it. I think we bought this much from the Heart exhibition. And after that, I think I'm left to show you all the chanya choli which I bought from the Akshardham market. Just let me go and get it for you. Okay, so I'm back. So the chanya choli which I was talking about is this one. It has a green lehenga in the patola design. Look at them. This has this kind of print all over. And these tassels I just attached after coming back to Mumbai. I had these tassels and I attached them because they were looking good. So this is the lehenga or the skirt, and this is the blouse which comes on it. They give you like multiple options of blouse which you can pair up with your with your chanya and or your skirt, and you can just mix and match and make your own customized chanya choli. So this was the blouse which I picked up, or the top that I picked up. It is a good mustard color. So together they look something like this. Someday when I wear it, I'm definitely going to put its picture on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram at DS90official to see all these pictures of my purchases whenever I wear them. So it looks, I don't know how to hold it together, but it looks something like this, the color combination. So these were very good in quality, first of all, and again on a budget because they were from the Akshardham market. So I got both of them for rupees 1200. So both of them just came under 1200, both blouse and the skirt. So and both of them have this patola design on it. So it was really good. They also had those traditional Navratri chanya cholis, those thread works and everything, the kind of work that I show you all in my dupatta. So those were also there, but I already have that kind of chanya choli, so I did not want to stock the same kind again. And so I thought, why not buy something like this which I can wear in some weddings as well, and it's like kind of evergreen. Whenever I want to wear, I can wear it, and not just the Navratri. So I can pair it with different kind of, dupattas, and I can also pair each one of them with something else and make many permutations and combinations. So just one purchase, you can make different looks and outfits just with one purchase, depending on your creativity, and give justice to your purchase. So I think that's it from the ladies side of shopping. That's all that I could bring from there, because as I said, there were weight constraints, but whatever I bought was really good quality, what was necessary to me, and which I found that has a long usability. Keeping that in mind, I just did not want to buy for the sake of it. So my target this time was only shopping something which can last with me for years, and I can like reuse it with many looks and stuff, so I can completely give justice, because that's how, now I've come down to shopping ideas now. And now moving to the next section, and the most interesting section of any trip, is the food shopping. Let's see what food shopping we did from Ahmedabad. For that, I'm going to invite someone very special to conduct this food shopping haul for y'all. Let's call him. As promised to y'all, I would bring someone very special to conduct the food section of this haul, and that's none other than my hubby, the Taz.
Taz main in the
Welcome to my channel, Taz. Welcome to Dee's channel. Privileged? Oh. So keep coming frequently on my channel. People want to see you as well. I've got requests from my viewers that they want to see more of you on this channel.
Sure.
So see, he's promising to come more. If he does not, I'm going to let you all know. So without much ado, let's start the food haul, because they are waiting for it. So let's start.
So as you guys already know that Ahmedabad, Gujarat in itself is like a foodie paradise.
Yes.
So every place you go to, every nook and corner of of the city has so much of food availability, different varieties, and you will find all kind of cuisines. It will cater to everything from North Indian to South Indian to international cuisines, and you'll be very surprised to know that Ahmedabadis or Gujaratis, they love an international food, which you'll be very surprised to know. You know which is that? Pizza. They are crazy about pizza. They have at least like 1,000 joints for pizza, different kind of, and they have in every pizza joint there is a unlimited offer.
Yes.
So even if you want a pizza, it's going to be unlimited.
Yes,
so you can
that's
enjoy.
True. That's true. All pizza lovers catch a train or a flight and rush to Ahmedabad
Yeah.
or Gujarat.
So. Okay.
So what we bought, let's show them that what we could bring from Ahmedabad to our house. Let's show
Okay,
them.
so we've done some shopping.
Guys, before he starts, let me tell you, don't mind if few of the packets are open or eaten away. Because few items are not present away because it's already like done and dusted within a week of our arrival in Mumbai. So we'll just mention those items orally and we'll show you whatever is left.
Okay. So the first, so this is supposed to be peanuts. It was the entire
You can show
box.
them. Yeah, let me
The
show
entire
you.
box was filled by the time we came, and within 5 days or 4 or 5 days, it's almost
Yeah, it's
empty.
over.
It's empty.
Mm.
So this week, we found this on the way to Patan.
If you have seen my vlog day 1, you might know that we did some Sinchana shopping.
Yeah.
And it's almost this much now and we're going to finish it off in next 2 days maybe. Who knows?
So I really love peanuts, and I think you like it.
I like it.
So like
At least from there.
yeah. So any kind of peanuts is like we keep on munching on it during the night or during the day. Any
Good
kind of
snacking
food, it's
item.
a good snack.
To fuel you up. Yes.
Okay.
Next item.
So there are a lot of items we got from this shop called Falguni. It's a farsan shop out there.
Where is it exactly? Where can they find that? In Ahmedabad?
In Ahmedabad is there. I don't know the exact.
I think near
address for it.
Vastrapur or something.
Yeah, near Vastrapur.
In the heart
yeah.
exhibition
Yeah.
which I was talking
Yeah,
about.
yeah, yeah.
I think it's the Vastrapur area where you find the shop Falguni and it has all Gujarati snacks. Whatever you name, you'll have it.
You'll have everything.
Yeah. So we bought this.
This chevra, Makai chevra.
It is, as you all can see, everything is opened and
Almost
almost
over.
yeah.
Within 3-4 days.
Yeah. And this is like Ratlami
Ratlami
Sev.
that's our favorite. So
Yeah.
the Ratlami Sev, so this is the spicy version.
Yeah.
So then
Next is,
this is also your favorite.
this was also for me. This was nylon wafer and
Spicy wafer.
Spicy one, spicy
Kela.
variant.
Spicy kela wafer.
Yeah, and these all snacks were somewhere around 50-70 rupees.
Yeah, approximately. It's
Yeah, this
below
is
the 100.
This is 50 rupees. This was
yeah,
also
like a 200
somewhere
gram packing for
70-75 rupees. Yeah.
very cheap and affordable.
Yeah.
Okay, then we got
This was from Patan, right?
yeah.
Okay, I'll just remove this all first. Only this much is left now, so I'll just show
This
you.
is peanut chicky.
Yeah, we'll just show them like this. This is a peanut chicky, and this is the Patan speciality. Like there is one guy from where we bought this chicky and the revdis. They are really soft, both of them. So contrary to the idea of peanut chickies or revdis being that hard and teeth breaking, these are
Really?
quite soft and still they give you that feel of having them.
So the peanut chickies are like very thin slabs.
Yeah.
Usually it's quite
These are the revdis.
yeah.
Sesame seed balls. Those who don't know what are revdis, Gujaratis might surely know.
Lonavala chickies are thick. Comparatively, the peanut chickies out here are pretty slim slabs.
Very
so
good.
it's really crunchy.
Yeah.
Okay. So the last of our snacking items is the nachos.
This was for him.
Yeah. So
Yeah, you can tell.
mom, I already got this, for us.
Hmm.
Nachos, since she knows I love nachos. Cheese
Yes.
nachos. Yeah, so I'm
Cheese
gonna have this.
nachos. Yeah, these are cheese nachos and these are also like 70-75. Everything is quite in that range.
Yeah. Okay, now time for the
Sweet section.
Okay, so this is pedas from Patan.
These are from Patan. Okay, so if you all have seen my day 1 vlog, I had shown you all Anand
Anand
Grow.
Grow.
That is one of the oldest store of Patan, from where we had that doodh colding, what they call.
Cold drink.
Yeah, and from there it's also a sweet shop. So we bought a lot of sweets from there, and this is one of it. This is Kesar Peda. This is the Kesar Peda. I know you guys are drooling right now. All the sweets will be finished by him, okay?
Please.
Except for Satas or Devdas.
Please. She's always gonna dig into all the sweets which I have.
Okay, what is the next one?
This is Devda.
Okay, so this box is
Patan
of this
special Devdas.
Satha, what we call a Devdas. So Patan is like very famous for this sweet, which is called as Devda.
Yes.
It's coated with sugar and ghee.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The
so
outer
it's
covering
really
is
good,
ghee
dude.
And it's pretty soft from the inside.
Very, very good. Please do buy this. Must buy from Patan. I almost kind of finished the box. I have one every day. Although I am not much of a sweet eating person, but still I have
made
this.
a one now.
Nah, but still I have this. I have selective things which I munch on in sweets. He can munch on anything in sweets.
Okay, this is the favorite of both of us. Mattas. This is the red velvet one. Red velvet matta. There are white chocolate pieces inside along with cranberry.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. It's really creamy.
So
and
this is from Vipul
Vipul
Dudhia.
Dudhia.
So there is one shop in Ahmedabad.
It's all across Ahmedabad. So they have
Okay, all
around
across.
five to six outlets in Ahmedabad itself.
Yeah. So if anybody goes to Ahmedabad, this is the first thing we tell them to get is Vipul Dudhia's Matha. In any flavor you taste, it's really amazing.
The classic ones are the fruit matta,
Yeah.
which is the all-time favorite, and the classic matta also. Like
Caramel
regular
crunch.
Kesar matta.
Kesar
They have
Matha. This red velvet we discovered
chocolate
this time.
flavor,
Chocolate flavor.
orange flavor. They have multiple.
And all of them are good. All of them. You can buy
When you go to the
You can
shop.
start with the classic fruit matha, which will make you a fan, and then you can keep exploring the flavors of
If you
it.
go there, then obviously they
why two,
they
three?
give you to taste as well, so you can taste it.
This I'm not sure like for how much it retails.
It's approximately 200 to 250 for 500 gram packet.
500 grams for 250 rupees, so not that expensive as well. Okay, and
That's the max range.
anything else
It
we
is
are
from
done?
150 to 250.
We had also bought some papad luas, if you all understand the papad balls, luas,
Yeah.
soft balls, but we finished all of them, so we have nothing to show, not even the wrapper or packet. So, and I think half the things we ate also by in the way and everything. But yeah, whatever was left in our kitchen as of today, we tried and showed y'all. Hope y'all guys like this video and like the shopping that we did. And I'm sure you guys might have liked all our like Ahmedabad trip vlogs as well. So before we just sign off, would you like to give your experience about our Ahmedabad trip in just brief?
Nothing. If you're a foodie, just go to Ahmedabad.
That's
and if you wanna gain 5 kgs in probably a week's time, okay, you can do that as well. If you wanna put on
Yeah.
weight, if you are
Because there's a lot of
underweight,
food.
you're gonna find food everywhere.
No, but apart from that, the tourism is also really, really, really good.
Yeah, obviously.
I love
Food and
all the
tourism.
places that I visited. We had a gala time over there, and we fell short of time because there were so many places and food joints and everything. So everything is in abundance over there. So we really fell short of time, and we just thought, if there was 2 more days or 3 more days, you will get that kind of feeling when you visit Gujarat or Ahmedabad. So I think Amitabh Bachchan was really correct in saying कुछ दिन तो गुजारिए अहमदाबाद में और गुजरात में for our case. So also visit our city Patan, which is our native city,
Yes.
and it's really, really, really good. The Rani Ki Vav and everything. My vlogs do have all kind of recommendations for food and for places to visit. So please go and visit all the vlogs, and if you guys like them, then please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel so that we keep giving you such content, and also comment and share and do all the good things that y'all can, because this really keeps me going and keeps me motivated to make more such content for you guys. So before we sign off, we will see off this special guest, and he'll come soon in many other videos. Thank you for coming to our channel,
See you.
and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.